In this video, I am going to show you how we can gather username and password of social media accounts of a user using a tool known as Zphisher. So first of all, we need to download Zphisher from the GitHub website. So for that, you need to search for Zphisher in your favorite search engine. And here is the URL of this. You can go to the code and download the zip file. After downloading zip file, you have to extract it from the downloads folder. You can either right click it like this. I can show you. Here is my downloads folder, and here is Zphisher master.zip. So right click it and click on extract here, and it will show you a folder. This Zphisher. So we have to run this script zphisher.sh to invoke the program. So go to your terminal and go to your downloads folder first. Here types cd Zphisher master, and here is the file zphisher.sh. So type dot slash zphisher. So if you want to run a script, then you have to specify dot and forward slash, otherwise the file will not run. So this is the main UI of the Zphisher, and here you can select your favorite website like Facebook, Instagram, Google. You can uh, view on the screen. There are 33 website that you can clone. Uh, Basically, we in the past use set, but it has some problems, and we have to specify the login URL. So in this, you don't have to type any URL, just select the option. For example, for my this attack, I will select Facebook number 1, and here is the 4 option have uh, I have been given. So I will check the first traditional login page of the Facebook and type 1 and press enter. So here for this hosting of your URL, there are 3 options. First is local host. It means it will be on your local machine. The IP address will be 127.0.0.1. So we have to, if you want to host this URL on the internet, then you can use the Cloudflare option. Type 2. If you want a custom port, press yes, otherwise press no. And it will initialize the Cloudflare URL. So it will generate this URL. You can give it to your victim. And if I right click it from here and open the link in my browser, so here you can see a fake Facebook login page will be there. And if your victim even visited this web page, you will get his public IP address. So I can show you here. So this is the victim IP. It means this is my IP address, public IP address. Uh, you can see it here, but and for whatever he will type, like he will type the username and his password, and you click on login. This will be redirected to your main Facebook page. But in this case, you have got the his account name and password, and this is stored in authenticate/username.dat. So in this way, you can harvest username and password of your victim. Thanks for watching.